Live from fabulous Centauri City, it's The Simpsons 10th Halloween Special. Now, please welcome your hosts. If you haven't been probed by these two, you haven't been probed. Kang and Kodos.
Yes, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our 10th anniversary show. Oh, we've got a great... Kang, what are you doing?
You said we were going to warm up the audience.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have to apologize for my partner. He had to borrow a human brain.
What do aliens have to do with Halloween?
Silence!